Number 16, find the average rate of change of f at x equals the square root of x plus 9 on an interval from a negative 4 to 2. We'll round our answer to the nearest hundredth. So on this type of problem, what we're doing is we're equating the idea of average rate of change to the slope of a line. So average rate of change is nothing more than a slope concept of this function on an interval where they're defining your x value. So the interval from a negative 4 to 2, and I've got a graph of a square root of x plus 9. So I want to redesign my graph a little bit here and extend it out this way. So I'm first going to kind of sketch what this thing looks like. So you got to go 9 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Negative 9, and that's our parent function, the square root. So it's going to look something like this, just a general idea. Now they want us to find the average rate of change of this graph from a negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a negative 4 from here to when x is a 2, 1, 2, to here, 2. So on this interval, from a negative 4 to 2, what would be the average rate of change? Well, the true rate of change is always changing. It's increasing at a decreasing rate. But this is the arc that we're going to estimate using a linear concept by applying our order pair at negative 4, comma something, and 2, comma something. And we're going to find those somethings by evaluating our function f at a negative 4 and f at a positive 2. So they're giving you the x values here at negative 4 and 2. Go find your corresponding y value. So it's going to be the square root of, put in a negative 4, add 9, square root of 5. So one order pair is a negative 4, square root of 5. And the other order pair, we put in a 2, it's 2 plus 9, which is the square root of 11. So that's 2 square root of 11. And now we do our slope concept. Slope. Our change in the y's over the change in the x's. So our calculation that we're going to need to make is going to be the square root of 11 minus the square root of 5 all over, and then I'm going to go 2 minus a negative 4, which is 2 plus 4. So it's the square root of 11 minus the square root of 5 over 6. And I punched that in a calculator quickly so that you can see the calculation. Square root of 11 minus square root of 5 divided by 6 is 0.18. So average rates of change equate back to slopes. And you can calculate slopes by change of y, change of x. They give you your x values, plug them in to find your y values, and then calculate.